Today we're going to the Khikhani Fortress. We're going to meet up with the expat group, take a van, and see where we end up. Found the group, found the van.
We're in
almost
the van.
On our way. In the van.
In the van.
Progress.
Yes.
The route from Batumi to Khikhani Fortress takes about 3 to 4 hours, but you pass through some lovely scenery, some picturesque villages, as well as some very rough, windy dirt roads. But hey, it's all part of the experience, right? We made a stop. Got some ice cream, skipped the bathrooms because they're scary. Letting us know we have another stop along the way. There's the scary bathroom, but then you have a lovely backdrop. It's Georgia, so should you expect to stop for cows in the road? Of course! The fortress is located in a military zone because it's so close to the border of Georgia and Turkey, so you have to stop at a border crossing, show them your passport, fill out a form, but it's not too bad. It took our group about 30 to 45 minutes. So we finally made it. We had to go through some crazy windy roads, some dirt roads, lots of rocks, the border crossing, but here it is. And here we go.
Wow. We're at the end of the road, beginning our hike up to the top. First part's very rocky. The view's already getting interesting.
So apparently the first way wasn't the best way. And someone told us to come back down and then go to, well, the left coming back down, the right going up. And this trail is much better. Perched high in the Lesser Caucasus Mountains of Gurya, Georgia, Khikhani Fortress dates back to the 8th or 9th century. So this is a difficult trail, I'm not gonna lie. It is very steep, up, up, up. Lots of loose rocks, sharp rocks, but really it's gorgeous. You can already see amazing views. I just love it so much.
See where we parked, at the very bottom here.
We got a little behind the group. So, dropped my phone. Yeah. So we're trying to catch up, but wow, it's hard to catch up on. It's really something actually you want to take at like a slow and steady pace. But we got this.
For sure.
Trying to get up there.
Halfway maybe?
Hopefully.
Yeah, but we kind of ran up that last
little section, a little zigzag.
Yeah.
I'm feeling better already.
Me too.
We found swings.
Yeah, we're 30 minutes away from the top, I'm told.
We're doing great.
Yeah, get well rested and then we'll just make it up top.
slowly and steadily, we're making it. It's just really showing us how out of shape we are. We gotta hike more. And the next time it'll be easy, right? Maybe.
Till we're close to the top, the cable line end is right up here.
We are so close. We passed one tower, but now that's the trail. Yeah, we gotta go up. We made it! Amazing! Woohoo!
Yay!
Pretty soaked.
Yeah.
But yeah, so excited, so proud.
Sure.
And it's beautiful up here. It's just amazing. Let's start the scenery montage while we still have a little bit of a view. We had read on a website somewhere where it said there was a sleeping hut up here, and I guess this is it, but I don't think it's kept up anymore. It has some problems. Inside you can see like a stove and some bedding and even some like things to cook with, but it's all broken.
This is gorgeous, this path.
And now, dinner. I was gonna say a well-deserved snack, but
This is dinner.
it's dinner.
Yeah.
I've got some guruli and some lobiani.
Yummy.
Oh, this is so good. Fuel. What? I still gotta get back down. Fuel for getting back down. Dessert time. Get our blood sugar up a little bit. And recharge the phone too. Our phones are getting pretty low.
4%.
Oh my goodness. So because it's so foggy and it's getting kind of late in the day, we're going to go ahead and head on down so that we can just take our time, do it slowly, and just enjoy the views going down, what we can see. It's just been so nice. We're so glad we made it up here and took this trip. Really, if you have a chance, do it. You won't regret it. It's great.
Coming down.
Areas coming down.
Yes.
So we're literally getting down to the wires. I'll show you. There's this, I don't know, zip line system, not for people, but I think for sending supplies up and down. And there are all these wires. And so some of them crisscross the trail. So you have to be really careful that you don't just run into them because it's kind of hard to see. Thank you. Ooh. So here's some more, and they're kind of hard to see until you're just upon them, like just all of a sudden, whoo, there it is. There's like a piece of metal down there too. When you're coming up, you don't want to hit your head on that. But now that we're going down the stairs, I think it should be a much quicker jaunt back down the mountain. Okay, so the way down isn't as easy as I thought. It's still really rocky. You have to go slow.
Down.
Start to feel it in your knees, but
And other parts.
and other parts. We're getting there. We're getting there. There are all these switchbacks, which obviously makes sense. You're going basically straight up the mountain, but yeah, you have to be careful. You don't want to go over the edge there. I really can't get enough of this place. It is so, so beautiful. Even just heading down, now we can see so much all around us. I just can't say it enough. I love it.
I think we're gonna make it.
Yeah, we're gonna make it. We're at the part where it's not so steep. So a little bit of relief for my poor knees. And it's still so nice. Woo! But rocky.
Leaves are quite huge.
It's a big one. So I'm still confused. I thought we had to go down that way. We don't. It's just right across from this trail. The road we came up was just on this other side. So it's just like come up the road, come across the dry riverbed. Well, it's not completely dry. There's a little stream. And that's the way to go. Now I know. So this is where we were coming up originally, and we were just going up, up, up. Ah, mosquitoes. Ah.
There's mosquitoes here.
But you only come up part of the way, and then there's this turnoff, and that's where you go down. You don't keep going up. I don't know what's up there. Maybe you can, but I would definitely recommend taking this trail.
We're gonna take a bath now.
Yeah, you're gonna wash up in this little stream in a few minutes. Ah, finally back on the pavement. Oh, it's so nice.
We just had our bath.
Yeah. And I did slip on a big rock, and I think I pulled something in my leg, but it'll be okay. At least I'm off those big rocks now that are twisting and turning, and I'm falling, but no, actually it wasn't so bad. And now we're just slowly making our way back to the van where we plan on collapsing. And yeah, it's been a really, really amazing adventure though.
Yes.
And if you can get out this way, I would really, really recommend it. I know I said that before. But thanks for coming along with us on our little adventure today. I hope you had almost as much fun as us. Okay, I hope you had as much fun as us. But really, it was so great. We'll see you next time.